Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to fix YouTube TV no sound issue. So to fix the no sound issue on YouTube TV, make sure that your YouTube TV app is opened on your device right now. Then tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Go to settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to 5.1 audio settings. Then turn off surround sound. This often resolves audio issues as many users experience sound problems when surround sound feature is enabled. This issue commonly arises after app updates, changes in devices settings, or when using external audio systems like soundbars. Users may also encounter it when switching between different audio outputs, such as from TV speakers to Bluetooth devices. The problem often stems from compatibility issues with surround sound formats or muted settings within the app. Additionally, outdated app versions or temporary glitches can contribute to the absence of audio during playback. So overall, the basic fix to this is to adjust audio settings and turn off surround sound. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.